What if the way you move and present yourself holds the key to attracting younger women more than your looks? Forget everything you thought you knew about attraction. It's not about looking youthful or muscular. The magic lies in your body language. From standing tall to making confident gestures, your unique, charming aura doesn't go unnoticed. Let's uncover the top 10 body moves that younger women adore. Implement these, and you'll become the most attractive person in any room. Let's dive in. Engaging gestures. Some men captivate a room effortlessly, thanks to their engaging gestures. These are purposeful movements that make conversations lively and engaging. For example, using open palms while speaking, emphasizing points with hand gestures, and mirroring the other person's movements can make interactions feel personal and captivating. Younger women appreciate these gestures because they convey energy, excitement, and confidence. 9. Confident touch. Confidence becomes irresistible when it extends the touch. A confident touch, respectful and appropriate, can create powerful connections. Examples include placing a hand on her shoulder to offer support, lightly tapping her arm during a discussion, a friendly shoulder squeeze during a shared laugh. Confident touch demonstrates comfort with physical closeness while respecting boundaries. When done thoughtfully, it conveys assurance and builds intimacy. 8. Attentive lean. Attention is everything. By using the attentive lean, you show genuine interest in a conversation. Leaning slightly towards someone while they're speaking signals that you value what they're saying. This simple gesture creates emotional intimacy. Pair it with piercing eye contact and a warm smile to make your attentiveness even more impactful. Younger women appreciate being heard and feel a deeper connection when you actively listen. 7. Authentic smile. A genuine smile is a universal sign of warmth and connection. Men who smile authentically are naturally approachable, even to shy individuals. For younger women, an authentic smile suggests positivity, friendliness, and sincerity. When you approach a woman with a genuine smile, it sets the tone for a meaningful interaction. Sincerity is magnetic, and your smile becomes a powerful tool for building deeper conversations and connections. 6. Deliberate movements. Deliberate, controlled movements exude poise and confidence. Whether walking gracefully or sitting with composure, these deliberate actions signal calm and assuredness. Younger women notice when a man moves with purpose and control. It shows he is comfortable in his own skin. This quiet confidence is captivating and reassures women that you are grounded and self-assured. 5. Piercing eye contact. Eye contact is one of the most powerful nonverbal ways to connect. Just as you find a woman's gaze captivating, younger women are drawn to a man's piercing eye contact. This type of eye contact conveys that you're fully engaged and genuinely interested in her. Your eyes tell a story of experiences, achievements, and emotional depth. Piercing eye contact can transform a simple interaction into a memorable and impactful exchange, making you stand out effortlessly. 4. Relaxed posture. Your posture says a lot about your personality. A relaxed posture is welcoming and makes you appear more approachable and confident. When your shoulders are relaxed, and your body language is open, you convey calmness and composure. Younger women find this appealing because it signals that you are at ease with yourself and approachable, a key trait for healthy relationships. 3. Commanding stance. Have you noticed how some men instantly become the center of attention when they enter a room? The secret lies in their commanding stance. Standing tall with shoulders back, feet firmly planted, and eyes level, not downcast, exudes strength, confidence, and authority. For younger women, this posture signals security and dependability. It gives them a sense of safety and comfort, showing them that you're powerful enough to stay by their side, even in tough times. A commanding stance reflects inner strength and calm, making you irresistibly appealing. 2. Purposeful walk. A purposeful walk reflects determination and ambition. Walking with intention and direction shows that you have goals and a clear sense of purpose. Younger women admire men who exhibit drive and focus. A purposeful walk communicates that you're confident and ambitious, qualities that are irresistibly attractive. Balance this by standing tall, maintaining a moderate pace, and exuding calm focus. 1. Impeccable grooming. Finally, impeccable grooming is the foundation of attractiveness. Paying attention to your appearance, from a clean haircut to well-fitted clothes, enhances your natural charm. Younger women are drawn to well-groomed men because it reflects self-respect and care. Whether it's a sharp outfit, a neat beard, or polished shoes, these small details make a big impact, amplifying your overall appeal. Conclusion. Attraction isn't about age, it's about how you carry yourself. By adopting these body moves, you'll unlock a magnetic charm that younger women love. Whether it's through a commanding stance, engaging gestures, or impeccable grooming, every detail matters. Now it's your turn. Try these tips, and let us know how they work for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and grab your free copy of the Attraction Handbook in the description below. See you in the next video. If you found this video informative, please take a moment to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video.